and Tisa.
And more today, Winton School. Kor Gabby, I am Libby. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 20th of February.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's phrase is Koina,
which is te reo for, yes, that is, it's, hey look, this is your pen.
Koina, yes, that's it. Ka onto the weather. The clear sky UV forecast for today is high from 11 until 3.
So make sure you're wearing your potae on. It's going to be a hot day.
Tidiest class goes to room 1 and 3. Keep up the great work, guys.
Kapa Haka is starting tomorrow for the juniors.
Mrs. Darlison was spotted at Boxford. We should try some of that, kids. Winton Fun Runners. What mad fitness activities can you come up with?
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the text below.
Whoa, there sure is a lot of words down here.
For Jacob in room 9.
Have a great day. And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.